Hi guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Grades and I have Ariana with me today and we are going to gymnastics right now, so we wanted to film one of our gymnastic styles, which is super easy to do. So let me spin you around.
It's totally easy.
So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. I made a part line on the side and the rest of the hair is tied into a high side ponytail. Spray some water and brush out the section, and now I'm making two part lines in the middle of my section and tying it with an elastic into a ponytail. And now I need to make 5 more ponytails going down, so make another part line and tie the new section with an elastic, another part line and tie it with an elastic, so altogether you have 5 ponytails going from the purple ponytail down. And now make 5 ponytails going up, so together we ended up with 11 ponytails. I'm spraying water to make them easier to work with and spray gel to keep my strands nice and smooth. Now pick up your middle ponytail and split it to 3 equal strands. Put your left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand, add the ponytail next to it to that strand and cross it under the middle, right strand and the ponytail next to it and cross it under the middle, left strand, add ponytail, cross it under the middle, right strand, add ponytail and cross it under the middle. So with each new stitch you add in the ponytail to it, and once you picked up all the little ponytail, continue braiding until the braid reach the big side ponytail and secure it with an elastic.
And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you
To hide the elastic, I will use topsy tail tool. Thread the tool through the ponytail, pick up a small section of the hair from the ponytail, wrap it around your hair tie, and I'm going to wrap it around twice, and now put the strand through the loop and pull the tool out of the ponytail. And I will make a simple Dutch braid with the ponytail, so split it to 3 equal strands and cross your right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle, and I'm going to secure it in the end with an elastic.
late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like.
Alright, let's do a final spin.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being uploaded. As usual, all the products that I used in the video I will leave down in the description box below, and we will see you next time for another tutorial.